Unlink GCash from Playtime. So this can pretty much just be done directly in your Play Store or your Play Store account where you downloaded Playtime or the Playtime app. So what you're gonna have to do is basically just remove the GCash payment method from your account and it should unlink directly. So you'll be able to find that here in your Play Store. Press on the top right, which should be your profile. And once you're there, scroll down to the payments and subscriptions. This is where you'll be able to find the GCash link to the Playtime. If you have subscriptions in your Playtime, for some reason, maybe there's a battle pass there or a subscription you can get, go to the subscriptions and just cancel the Playtime subscription if that is one of the options. But if not, you can go ahead here to the payment methods, look for the GCash payment method. I usually should have the logo over there. Press on that and just go ahead and remove the GCash payment method. You'll be able to get that option once you press on the GCash. But that is a way you can technically unlink GCash from Playtime. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.